Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes. Today I am solving WBJECA for MCA admission 2023 question paper full solution with detailed analysis. If you need classes from our side and if you need doubt solving session, previous year question solution, mock test, you can call on WhatsApp on this number. Sourav himself reply to your query. Let's start today's session with question number 14. What will the 14 number question says? Dash is the most appropriate scheduling in case of a time shared operating system. This is the operating system algorithm related question. What is the FCFS means here? FCFS means first come first serve. That means is a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm. Non-preemptive scheduling algorithm that executes process in order they arrive in ready in queue. Okay, what is the meaning of SGF? SGF means shortest job first. SGF is also a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm, and by namely its functionality said that which is the shortest job, this will be priority 1 and this will be performing first. Okay, shortest job in CPUs, job means CPU working. Okay, and what is the meaning of SRTF? SRTF means shortest remaining time first. Okay, so SRTF means is a preemptive version of SGF, is a preemptive version of SJF. What is the SJF? Shortest job first, and it will process the shortest time remaining is given priority, while its optimal algorithm minimizing the average waiting time. It can lead to starvation in a time shared system. Lead to a starvation in a time shared system. And what is the meaning of RR? RR means round robin algorithm. What is the meaning? The round robin algorithm means it is a preemptive scheduling algorithm. Preemptive scheduling algorithm that assigns each process to a fixed time slice or time quantum, and it process is executed in a circular queue, and each process is allowed to run for a specific time in quantum time. That means this is a physics term, and if that means very small time. Okay, quantum means very small. Quantum time. Okay, and it is preempted and moved to the end of the queue. This algorithm ensures fair allocation of CPU allocation along the process and prevents starvation. So in time sharing system, so where multiple users of process share CPU users concurrently, multiple CPU, let's say CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU, that means CPU 1, sorry, sorry, CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU 3, they are concurrently sharing the time with this process. And fairness, prevention of starvation are crucial. This round robin scheduling algorithm achieves the goals by allocating fixed time slice to each process in circular manner. This ensures no process monopolizes the CPU and that all processes get a fair chance to execute. So here option B is the round robin scheduling. Option B is the correct answer. Please follow our channel and subscribe to our channel, and please follow, like and share this video. And that's all for today. We'll meet you soon next session. Thank you everyone.